Bitcoin is absolutely falling. Crypto is getting wrecked. We're going to talk about that in this video, coming at you with a super short video. As you're coming in, like the video, subscribe, help us get to 10,000 subs. We're super close. I need your guys' help. All right, we're not wasting any time. If you guys don't know me, I'm Doc. Throughout the day, I'm a resident physician, and at night in the super early mornings, I take you guys on my crypto and investing journey. We're not wasting any time. This is going to be a super short video, but I felt like I had to come on here. Right now, Bitcoin sitting at $112,000. We wicked all the way down to like high 111s, right? If you guys were here on my live stream, we talked about this in my Discord, which is totally free, by the way. We have nothing to sell you. Link down below. We talked about how September we've been overperforming, and we are due for a pullback. You can see we ripped right through these Bollinger Bands. Technically, these aren't the Bollinger Bands. These are the Keltner Bands. They're very, very similar. Absolutely ripped through this. Sorry, I'm a little sick if you guys couldn't tell. The interesting thing is we didn't come exactly down to hit the bull market support band, so it is good. We're staying above the bull market support band, and if we are above the bull market support band, the cycle is still intact. So again, these are the 4-hour charts here. If you look at the crypto bubbles, red everywhere. There's like a very, very few outliers. Some of these outliers might be market manipulation, but literally everything's down right now. And that makes sense because Bitcoin dominance took a tick up, right? You can see Bitcoin dominance shot all the way up. And again, this is the 4-hour chart, absolutely ripped up. We almost wicked to 59%. We were sitting in the 57s. If you turn this to the daily, you can just see this really, really big spike up. And another thing that we mentioned in a free live stream that we did for the members yesterday is that we are probably due for Bitcoin dominance. Let me get rid of all these bull market support bands. We're probably due for a run up here. This is last cycle. We're probably due for another run up here. Maybe not to 70%. That's a little obnoxious. But this is Benjamin Cohen's base case. His thesis is that we are actually going to rip back up into the 60s for dominance. We'll see if that's happening now. Okay, so you can see over $1 billion of Bitcoin longs have been liquidated. This was just within the last 20 minutes. As we frequently see on the Sunday night session, low liquidity has led to a large washout. Basically, all this is saying is that on the weekends, there's really low volume, and it doesn't take as much sell pressure to really bring down the price. And then the interesting thing is you have all these people who are using excess leverage, and they get absolutely wiped out. And then, right, they have to they have to sell at lower prices. The good thing is, the silver lining, someone was asking about this in the Discord, gold is at $3,700. It is at new all-time highs. And I actually told Grok to make me a chart showing the correlation between gold and Bitcoin. And the TLDR is that Bitcoin and gold are correlated. Typically, gold runs first, right? So I really like this image here. You can see that gold was in this ascending triangle pattern, and then it broke out. And this, again, on a 3-month time frame. If we look at Bitcoin on a 1-month time frame, because, right, it moves a little bit faster than gold. Gold is a traditional asset. You can see Bitcoin is also in this ascending triangle pattern. And if we break out, we could easily get into the mid to high $100,000. The last interesting thing that I want to talk about is, guys, September, it's historically red for post-halving years, okay? Historically red for post-halving years. So in a lot of ways, and again, we talked about this yesterday, we're still green on the month. Despite this pullback, we are still up 4% on the month. And guys, the last post-halving year, 2021, we were down 7%. And the post-halving year before that in September, we were down 10.5%. So all things considered, we're doing really well for September. And guys, October is where the real party starts, right? October 2021, again, this was the last post-halving year, we were up 40%. And the post-halving year before that in 2017, we were up 54%. So what I would encourage everybody to do is, yes, the liquidation sucks. Yes, altcoins are going down a little bit, but just make sure that you have the foresight that we are quite literally coming to the best part of the market, right? Q4 of the post-halving year. Today's the first day of fall, right? There's going to be some changes. Start of the week, gold is rallying, okay? Buckle up. We all know crypto is volatile, but I really do think this Q4, October, November, December, we could see outsized gains. Now, obviously, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. If you guys want to do any leverage trading, check out BTCC. I'll have a link down below. I am going to be putting in some leverage trades. If you want to know exactly which leverage trades I'm putting in, check out the Discord, free link below. If you got any value out of this, consider hitting the like button, subscribing, and I'll see you guys on my next video.